Is a technique that I use, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to get my brows. Okay, so what I usually do is I start off by brushing through my eyebrows, getting it into the desired shape. Once I'm done brushing through, I use a angled brush, and I use black eyeshadow. So you can use any black eyeshadow. If you don't have black hair and you have brown hair, I would suggest that you go for a brown. If you're blonde, go for a bit like a lighter brown color. That will give you a more of a natural eyebrow shade. So I'm going to load my angle brush with black eyeshadow, and I'm going to start on the bottom part of my eyebrow, and I'm going to start at the arch right here, and I'm going to draw down to where I want my tail to stop. So that's my very first line that I draw. Okay, then I'm going to load my brush once more, and now I'm going to go up to the upper part of the arch, and I'm going to connect the two lines. So I'm going to draw like an inverted triangle. Okay, once they are connected, I'm going to fill it in without picking up more product. I'm going to use only the product on my brush, and I'm going to fill in that triangle. Without picking up any more product, I'm still going to use the same brush with the same amount of product. I'm going to now draw from the middle part of my upper brow. I'm going to connect the line to that arch. So I would literally just draw that piece and connect it like that. Now I'm going to pick up more product, and I'm going to fill in this part of my eyebrow. And press that eyeshadow up against your skin, because you don't want any skin to show. You want to cover everything. Okay, without picking up any more product, I'm now going to move to my lower line, and I want to draw out my lower part of my brow. Connect. Can you see I'm drawing a very light line, just like a guide. I haven't picked up any additional product. I haven't. Okay, so I'm still using the same amount, and I'm going to fill in this section right here. The key is the less product you have, the more faded your eyebrow will be. So once I get to this part, I literally flick my hair up. Can you see I have like a little bold spot right here? Okay, so now I'm going to pick up more product, but I'm not going to place it anywhere close to my inner section. I'm going to place it down right here. Okay, I'm going to blend that out to my upper arch, and then I'm going to move down, and I want to darken that spot right there where that bold patch is. Can you see how I'm blending? Okay, so that is, I'm darken that spot a little bit more. I think it's fine for now. I want to mention that some days they only look like sisters. Some days they look like cousins. It's seldom that they look like twins, all right? It's seldom. So let's hope for the best today, right? I'm going to just take that out of the way. We're going to do exactly the same concept on the other eye, but I'm not going to explain. I want you to watch what I'm doing. Okay, the reason I'm looking up and looking at my other eyebrows because I want the angle of my tails to be exact. That's the only thing I want to add. I said I don't want to talk, but I just want to give you that guidance. So once you draw your tail part, just make sure that your angle, otherwise one will be more down and the other one will be wider, vice versa. So you want it to be like kind of the same angle, okay? Now I'm not going to talk, I promise. Once you're bringing down your lower line, make sure that where it ends is in line with that side. Otherwise, you're going to have one that's higher or lower, or it's not going to be equal. You want it to be exactly the same. So because once you look at someone, the first thing you see is eyebrows because they need to match up right here, okay? Funny fact, psychologist has proven that we actually look for symmetry in faces. So that's the first thing people look at subconsciously, even without noticing it. Now I'm going to load my brush again. Okay, and that is my eyebrow tutorial. That will do for today, okay? They're not like today, they're only like maybe second cousins. Luckily, they're not fifth. But anyway, that is the look for today. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, and press that little bell so that you will be notified whenever I do upload a new video. But thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe. Bye.